Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the Canon EOS R100, an excellent entry-level mirrorless camera that's perfect for beginners and enthusiasts alike. The Canon EOS R100 features a 24.2-megapixel APS-C sensor and Canon's Digic 8 image processor, delivering high-resolution images with impressive detail and color accuracy. This camera is ideal for those stepping up from smartphone photography, offering a significant upgrade in image quality. The EOS R100 also boasts a versatile ISO range of 100 to 12,800, expandable to 25,600, ensuring great performance in various lighting conditions. Curious to see it in action? Click the link in the description to be taken to the official Canon EOS R100 product page. For videographers, the EOS R100 offers 4K UHD video recording at 24 frames per second, providing crisp and vibrant footage. It also supports Full HD recording at up to 60 frames per second, perfect for capturing smooth and dynamic videos. The camera's Dual Pixel CMOS AF system ensures accurate and fast autofocus, keeping your subjects in sharp focus even during fast movements. The fixed 3-inch LCD screen, while not touch-enabled, offers a clear and bright display for easy viewing and composition. The Canon EOS R100 is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around for on-the-go shooting. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, even during extended use. The camera also features built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for seamless connectivity, allowing you to quickly transfer your photos and videos to your devices. Additionally, its robust build quality and weather-sealed body make it durable and reliable in various shooting environments. Elevate your photography game with the Canon EOS R100. Click the link in the description to be taken to the official Canon EOS R100 product page. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gear reviews and photography tips.